Grandpa, why do stars twinkle at night? Are they blinking at us?
That's a lovely question, Emma. It really does look as if the stars are blinking.
So, are they turning their light on and off?
No. Stars shine with a steady light. They only seem to twinkle because their light passes through the air around Earth.
How can the air make light twinkle?
The air above us is always moving. Some air is warm and some is cool.
What happens when starlight passes through the moving air?
The moving air bends the light a little as it travels toward us.
Does the light bend more than once?
Yes, because the air keeps moving, the light bends in slightly different ways from moment to moment.
Is that why the star seems to sparkle?
Exactly. The star is shining steadily, but the moving air makes its light look a little shaky to our eyes.
Do planets twinkle too?
Sometimes a little, but usually not as much as stars. Planets look bigger and steadier in the sky.
So the twinkle comes from Earth's air, not from the star.
That's exactly right. The star stays bright and steady, while the moving air makes its light seem to dance.
Now I know why stars twinkle at night.
Yes, Emma. The stars shine steadily far away, while the air above us turns their light into a beautiful sparkle.
Mini sounds for growing minds!
Hey friends, want to see some magic? Just scan our cards and the matching music or story starts playing instantly. Check out the link below and join the fun today.
Look up high. The stars are shining. Why do stars twinkle? Are they blinking at us? Let's find out. Stars shine bright every night. Tiny diamonds full of light. High above, far away, lighting up the sky each day. So, why do they seem to sparkle and twinkle? Starlight travels from far away through the air before our day. The moving air bends the light, making stars twinkle bright. Twinkle, twinkle, shining bright, dancing in the sky tonight. Moving air changes light. That's why stars twinkle bright. Do the stars really blink? Stars shine steady all the time, but the air makes them shine. The light wiggles as it flies, making twinkles in our eyes. Twinkle, twinkle, shining bright, dancing in the sky tonight. Moving air changes light. That's why stars twinkle bright. Now I know stars don't really blink. Their light travels through the moving air.